Subscribe to Cooking and Travel by Dr. Papori Barooah and press on the bell icon for all notifications. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's a snack recipe and a favorite with all non-vegetarians, I guess. Today I'm trying to make the simple recipe of the chicken chop, the way they love it in my house. And for that what I have taken is that I've just made in small chunks, say around 250 grams of chicken. I have boiled in some water and some salt around 5 big potatoes. I will need some breadcrumbs. I have chopped into small pieces 3 big onions and around 20 pods of garlic into small slices there, and around 2 inches of ginger that also chopped very small. In the dry ingredients, here I have taken around 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and a small teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt according to your taste. Necessarily we will need some green leaves, or what you call coriander leaves for the flavor there, 1 egg, some tomato sauce, say 1.5 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and some green peas and some vinegar. And to make it very healthy, I have switched over to pomace olive oil. You may choose any vegetable oil of your choice. I've heated around 3 big tablespoons of oil there. First we'll put in the garlic. The garlic will flavor the oil there, making it real tasty. We'll not wait for it to brown and put in the onion and the ginger. Now we give it a nice mix there and a fry there. When the onion begins to caramelize, I'm going to put in all the dry spices together. This is a very easy recipe. I guess all of you know it. It's just like I felt like sharing with you the way I do it in my place. And because everybody loves it, I thought you might find it something different. A trick here and a trick there, and might be you love it. So I put in there. And next thing goes in is the tomato sauce there. You may avoid using tomato sauce and going for tomato. But when I talk about tomato sauce being used, I have a feeling that tomato sauce, because of all the flavors it has, adds its own unique touch to the dish. And more so, it also has a little bit of sweetness, which really works wonders with any dish. Once the oil begins to ooze out, I'm going to drop in the pieces of chicken there. It's very good if you can really, have the chicken minced there. But today I'm just using what I had. So I'm just trying to chop it into small pieces there. And now we just try to mix it properly. We haven't as yet used any salt. You need to remember that the major ingredient there for any dish there, of course, is the salt there. Next thing that goes in, we have the green peas. Throw in the green peas for the beautiful splash of color there. And then mix it up properly. And now is the time when you really need to put in the salt. Just throw around the salt there. And because I haven't used salt anywhere, so I'm just using enough salt as much as needed. And I'm going to give it a nice mix there. I'm using everything on full flame now. And now the next thing, the vinegar. Just going to put in some vinegar, say 1 small teaspoon of vinegar around. Alright, say 1.5. Again mix it. You'll see how easy it is. At least the way I make it is very easy. And everyone has a unique way of making it. Okay. So now, next thing I do, just reduce the flame to minimum and cover and cook till the chicken is done. And that's my And that's my favorite activity, now trying to mash it in this, because I always say it's a therapeutic experience for me to really try and let it be clean there and just take everything out there and mash it. So this is how it looks now after around 3-4 minutes. See, there's so much of water that has come out. I think it's from the chicken there. So let it dry up completely. There should be no water in a way. The moisture content should be very, very minimal. Otherwise, it will not be very good. When you feel it's completely cooked, just uncover and cook till all the moisture really dries up. Now this is completely dry there, and I'm going to put in my the green coriander leaves. I'll just try and mix it, and this is done. Shut down the flame and we are ready to go. So this is done. Now I'll add in the secret ingredient, some rice flour. This is 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour there, which will actually add to the crisp there, and some salt there. Be careful, there's already salt when I had boiled it, so I'd used some salt. So be careful with the salt there, and then we give it a nice mix and get it ready to be used in the famous chicken chop there. We all love it. I guess all non-vegetarians love it. And today I'm just trying to recreate the magic there in my kitchen. So this is done. Taste in for the salt. Be careful. The salt should be perfect for the perfect chop to happen. The next thing is very easy. Just take a ball there, roll it up, use your hands, feel the magic. Make a hole like this and just put in the stuffing, the interesting stuffing there. Put enough because people love to have it, and bring them together and see that nothing comes out. Right, so this is it. Give it the shape of a chop, round. I think it's this is the perfect shape, oval, and it's done. This way, finish up the entire stuff. So what we do is take some of the mixture there, the potato, and goes in, and we're going to just throw it together into a ball, or in, shall we say, oval shape there. And this is the chop ready. This way I'll do the entire thing and get everything ready before I really fry them up. So they are ready and ready to be fried now. Next, I just broke the egg there and just putting in some salt, giving it a whisk there. The next thing is very easy. I've heated up the pan there. I have my breadcrumbs ready, and all I need to do is that just coat it in the egg and next the breadcrumb and fry it. That's it. Easy one there. So a lot of oil there. Oil is heating up, and next thing is this. Will not take much time. Just see that the crunch is there. For that you need to fry on high flame, very high flame, and for very less time. See, there's this beautiful golden color on the top, and it shows crunch. So that way it's ready. You see, just in a fraction of a second, you have this beautiful golden color, brownish tinge there, and that's done. Now that's how they look. My crispy chicken chops. Easy recipe, something you really need to try it out at home. For if you love your dear ones, you give them good food to eat. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Do give it a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching.